Today we will start with a new chapter in English grammar, adjectives. Okay, so first tell me what is a noun?
Ma'am, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or an
I'm
idea.
not able to understand anything like this. Yes, Dishant.
Ma'am, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or an idea.
Okay, so now what is an adjective?
Ma'am, it modifies
a noun.
Okay, it modifies a noun. Yes, anyone else? Yes, Prabhati, Ridhima, Rishima, anyone? Shabd?
Ma'am, it modifies a noun.
It modifies a noun.
Okay, it modifies a noun or first give me an example. Example.
Ma'am, the weather is good today.
Ma'am, the bag is red.
Ma'am, the weather is good today.
Okay. Alright, so basically, what does an adjective do? It modifies or it adds meaning to the noun or a pronoun, alright, or it adds something more to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. We get to know it describes a noun or a pronoun. So, adjective is also called as a describing word, alright. It describes, it tells us something more about a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so, in this chapter, we will first have a look at the different kinds of adjectives. And so, here in this chapter, we have 9 kinds of adjectives that we'll do. First, adjectives of quality. So, as the name suggests, it tells us about the quality of a person or a thing, like Ravi is an honest man. So, what type of a man he is? He is an honest man. So, honest would be the adjective of quality. Then, Ram is a lazy boy. So, lazy, what type of boy he is? He is a lazy boy. So, telling about the quality of how a person or a thing is. Next is adjective of quantity. Again, as the name suggests, it tells us about the quantity. Okay, like for example, he ate the whole cake. Means which quantity? He ate the whole thing. There is a little water in the glass. How much water? Little water, telling about the quantity. Then adjective of number. Now it tells about the number of people or things. Now adjectives of quantity, they can be divided into two: cardinal numbers and ordinal. So cardinals and ordinals. Now cardinals means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And ordinals would be first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So that is the difference. Both are adjective of numbers. One is the cardinal and the other is the ordinal. Then under this we also have first, like under adjectives of number, we have two definite numeral adjective, means where you are told about the definite number. So under definite numeral adjective we have cardinals and ordinals, and there is also indefinite numeral adjective. So under adjective of number there are two definite numeral adjectives and indefinite numeral adjectives. Under definite numeral adjectives we have cardinals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc., and under ordinals first, second, third, fourth and so on. Then indefinite, as the name suggests, so it will be indefinite. We do not know exact or a specific number, like all, few, some, any, none. So all these are said to be indefinite indefinite numeral adjectives. Okay, then the next is demonstrative adjectives. Now demonstrative adjectives, they simply help us to point at a particular person or thing. This boy is stronger, these grapes are sour. So they help us to point, and they are called as, so those adjectives will help us to point at a particular person or a thing, so they are called as demonstrative adjectives. Then next is distributive adjectives. Now distributive adjectives, they refer to each one of a number, means each of a number, and there are 4 distributive adjectives: each, every, either, and neither. For example, every student must be punctual. Either pen will do. Alright, so each, every, either, neither, they are said to be distributive adjectives. Then emphasizing adjectives, as the name suggests, they are used to emphasize on a certain thing, alright, on a certain person or thing. So they are used basically for emphasis or for putting stress. For example, this is the very book that I need, means this is the book that I need, so used for emphasis. Then next is possessive adjective. It is used to show possession, what you possess, what you own. So possession or ownership, this is my computer, this is my book, so it shows that it belongs to me, it is mine, I own it. That is her mobile, so her, showing that this mobile phone belongs to her, it is her, it belongs to her, she owns it. Then the next is interrogative adjectives. Then again, as the name suggests, it helps to ask questions. Which song do you like? Whose phone is this? And so on. And the last is the proper adjectives. Now proper adjectives, basically they modify nouns and pronouns, and they are formed from proper nouns. So proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Like, I like Chinese food, so it is taken from the proper noun China. Okay, so Chinese food. So proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns, and proper adjectives are always capitalized, means you will always write the proper adjectives with a capital letter. This is a German car. Which car? German car. So again, it is a proper adjective because it is formed from a proper noun. Now let's try to do this exercise and see how much you all have understood. Exercise A.
Excuse me,
Yes, Alokik?
Ma'am, what is the difference between adjective of quantity and indefinite numeral adjective? Yes, ma'am.
Adjective of quantity, some, yes, like this we can say, basically here if you see, there's not much difference, because adjective of quantity also, it tells about the quantity but not exact quantity. And indefinite numeral adjective, it is also doing the same thing, so it also does not denote or tells an exact number. So basically, the examples also, they are the same, so not much difference. Adjective of quantity also, it will also tell about the quantity, but that also, just the quantity as like, again, whole sum, it will not be, it will tell only, means not specific, it will be not an exact number, all right, it will only be the quantity. Whereas indefinite numeral adjectives, it will tell about, it depends on how you use it in a sentence. That also depends, okay, that how that is used in a sentence, and you will understand, though if you look at the examples, they seem same to you, and that is why you are thinking that okay, one is denoting quantity and other is denoting indefinite numeral adjective, but still they are the same. Now this you'll understand more when we will do the exercise, then only you'll be able to understand more, because on the surface both of them appear same. Let's do the exercise, then only it will become clear, and then I'll let you know in detail. Okay, first let's try doing the exercise, then
Okay,
you'll get to know. Okay,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, what is emphasizing adjectives?
what is emphasizing? Like, when we were doing pronouns, we did emphasizing pronouns also. So what was the use of it? Just to emphasize on something, put some stress on something. So here emphasizing adjectives are also used for emphasis only, just to show emphasis, put emphasis on something. Alright, he is lost in his thoughts. We can say he is lost in his thoughts, but just to emphasize we say that he is lost in his own thoughts. Alright, so it is just basically used for emphasis, exactly the same way when we were doing emphasizing pronouns, that was also used only for emphasis. So here also emphasizing adjectives are also just used for emphasis, to putting more stress on something, that's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, first one, identify the adjectives and then name their kinds. I am tired.
Ma'am, tired is adjective of quality.
Okay, underline tired and write quality. Okay, next, that's my pen.
Ma'am,
My position adjective.
Yes, which type of adjective?
Ma'am, possessive.
Okay,
Ma'am, my position adjective.
right. Next, Preeti is witty.
Ma'am, witty. Ma'am,
adjective of quality.
Okay, quality, adjective of quality. Preeti is witty. I ate some rice.
ma'am,
Ma'am, adjective of quantity.
Okay, adjective of
ma'am,
quantity.
adjective.
This is his room.
Ma'am, possessive. Ma'am, is
Adjectives.
Okay, underline his. His is possessive. We bought French cheese.
Ma'am, French is proper adjective.
Ma'am, French
French
is proper
adjective.
adjective.
Correct. I have one brother.
Ma'am,
What is adjective of number?
Okay,
Ma'am, adjective of number.
is adjective of number. I ate the whole cake.
Ma'am, whole
Ma'am,
adjective.
whole is adjective of quantity.
Adjective of
Ma'am,
quantity.
adjective of quantity.
Right. Which book is yours?
Ma'am, yours.
Interrogative.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, yours is possessive.
Which book is yours? Here we are talking about only adjective. So here which is used as an adjective? Book. Which book? So which is adding meaning to book here. So here only which is used as an adjective. So tell only about which. Which is interrogative. Okay, and next, it was a memorable trip.
Ma'am, memorable is adjective of quality.
Okay. All right. There are no pictures in this book.
Ma'am, indefinite.
All right. So no, underline no pictures. All right. So underline no, it will be number. Adjective of
Number.
and in bracket you can write indefinite. Then there is one more adjective in this sentence.
This.
This
Demonstrative.
this is which type of adjective?
Demonstrative.
Yeah, right, demonstrative
That's it.
adjective. Next, most boys like football.
Ma'am, most is adjective of quantity. Ma'am,
Okay,
most.
all right.
of quantity.
Okay. These mangoes are sour.
Ma'am, sour is adjective of quantity.
Adjective quantity. Ma'am, quality.
Ma'am, demonstrative.
Okay, these is demonstrative and sour is quality. These is demonstrative and sour is quality. Next, which route should we take to Agra?
adjective.
Which is
Okay,
interrogative
right,
adjective.
right, which is interrogative. I saw it with my own eyes.
Ma'am, own, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, own is possessive.
Own
Ma'am,
eyes. I saw it with my own eyes.
Ma'am, emphasizing adjective.
Yes,
Ma'am, emphasizing.
right, emphasizing. Emphasizing adjective. Next, Carla won the second prize.
Ma'am, adjective. Ma'am, adjectives of number. Ma'am,
Adjective of number
Ma'am,
Yes,
second.
okay, it is adjective of number, but under number what type?
Ma'am, definitely. Ma'am, definitely. Adjective.
Yes, definite also, and under definite what type?
Ma'am, ordinal. Ma'am, ordinal.
Ordinal. Okay, ordinal. Next, on either side of the road grew tall trees.
Ma'am, either.
Ma'am, distributive adjective.
Okay,
Ma'am,
either
either
is
is
distributive.
Ma'am, either is distributive and ma'am, tall is quality.
Right, and tall is quality. Tall trees. That boy has won the match.
Ma'am, that.
That is
Ma'am, that is demonstrative.
Ma'am, demonstrative
demonstrative.
adjective.
Right. New York is a big city.
Ma'am, New York. Ma'am, big is adjective of quality.
Okay, big is adjective of quality. We have got enough time.
18.
18th is that. That is
Enough is.
demonstrative. We have got enough time. Number 20.
Ma'am, enough is adjective of quantity.
Okay, adjective of quantity. Enough, adjective of quantity. Have you been to their house?
Ma'am, there.
Ma'am, there is possession.
Ma'am, possessive
Okay,
adjective.
I am going to open that present.
Ma'am, that demonstrative adjective.
Okay, that is
And that is
demonstrative.
demonstrative.
Right. Which film do you want to see?
Ma'am, which is interrogative adjective.
Okay, which is interrogative adjective. Interrogative. Next, he was helped by an Italian man.
Ma'am,
Italian is proper adjective.
Italian proper adjective.
Okay, Italian is proper. Number 25.
Ma'am, some is adjective of quantity. Ma'am, some is
adjective of quantity.
Do you want some bananas?
Ma'am, some quantity. Ma'am, some is adjective of quantity.
Alright, just hold on. Okay, next. Is there any water in the bottle?
Ma'am,
Any.
Ma'am, any. Ma'am, adjective of quantity.
Okay. Number 27. Which plants do you want to buy?
Ma'am, which
Interrogative adjective.
Okay, alright. And the last one here, the plants need more water.
Ma'am, is adjective of quantity.
Adjective of quantity.
Adjective of quantity.
Okay, fine. Has anyone missed anything?
Ma'am, please do second and
Not all
16th one.
together. Otherwise, I will not be able to understand anything. One each. Yes.
25th.
25th is sun.
Ma'am, 26.
26th, any quantity.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 26 should be indefinite. Ma'am, indefinite numeral adjective.
26 should be
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
indefinite.
indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective.
no. Either on the other hand, some bananas. This could be adjective of number. But water, it won't be adjective of number in any way. Do you count water 1, 2, 3, 4?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Otherwise also, so it cannot be number. Water, it cannot be. Any water cannot be adjective of number. Some bananas, now that can be number and indefinite. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjectives. Exercise B. This one is very easy. I love Darjeeling because it is the place of dash birth.
Ma'am, my birth.
Ma'am, my bird.
Birth. Okay. Mr. Singh and dash wife arrived late at the party.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
his
his wife.
His wife. Okay. Where is Sudeshna's house? I want to meet dash mother.
Ma'am, her mother.
Okay, her mother. We must never forget dash past, said the father to his children.
Ma'am, our past.
Ma'am,
Our past. Our past. Ramesh forgot to take dash wallet to the market today.
Ma'am, his wallet.
His wallet.
Ma'am, his wallet.
Correct. Love dash neighbor as yourself, said Christ to his
And your
followers.
neighbor.
Your neighbor.
Ma'am, your.
Love your neighbor. Raj loves to ride dash new bike to work.
Ma'am, his new bike.
Ma'am, his new bike.
Okay, his new bike. Never give up dash goal in life, said the teacher to her pupils.
Ma'am, your.
Ma'am, your goal.
Goal is correct. Never give up your goal in life. They live in dash house.
Ma'am, there.
Ma'am, there.
Okay, there T-H-E-I-R.
Ma'am,
Yes, T-H-E-I-R. We must learn to respect dash country.
ma'am, our country.
Our country. Yes, that is correct. Okay. C. Replace the personal pronouns with possessive adjectives. This is dash dress.
Ma'am,
My dress.
My dress. Miss Wilson is dash teacher. Bracket is V.
Ma'am, our teacher.
Our
Ma'am,
teacher.
our.
Our teacher. Tanya goes to school with dash brother.
Ma'am, her brother.
Her.
Brother. Her brother. Dash school is closed on Saturdays.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, there. There.
Beta T. They have given personal
Ma'am,
pronouns
there.
they. You have to use they. With they, you have to form verb. They.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, our school or ma'am, their school.
There only beta because it is not given we. So we cannot use are. We have to replace the personal pronouns with possessive adjectives. Means we have to make the possessive adjectives of the personal pronouns given. So they, their. I, my, she, her, like that. I met dash sister last evening.
Ma'am,
Your sister.
Ma'am, your.
Your sister. Saina Nehwal is dash favorite sports star.
Ma'am,
My
my.
My. Okay. Dash husband and I want to start a company.
Ma'am,
My.
Okay, my. We went to Egypt to see dash historical monuments. Okay. It's Lila likes dash painting.
Ma'am, her.
Her
Ma'am,
painting.
her.
Right?
Her.
Her. I have a dog. Dash name is Simba.
Ma'am, its name is
Its
Simba.
name. Its name. The children have been playing outside. Full stop. Dash
There.
mother is not
I'm
an
there.
Ma'am, their
Ma'am,
mother.
their
Their
mother.
mother.
Their. This is dash football.
Ma'am, his.
His football. Dash friends will come to play with him.
Ma'am, his
Ma'am, his.
Okay, his friends will come to play with him. Have you missed anything till here?
No, ma'am.
No,
Are you
ma'am.
sure?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now one thing more. We have left pronouns warm up exercise. So, pronouns warm up exercise and adjectives warm up exercise. That is your homework. Alright?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.